When using WPS Spreadsheet, sometimes we need to add or remove the cell borders. Click Create New to create a blank table. The default grid lines can be hidden, so the borders to be added can be clearly displayed. Click the tool icon in the lower left corner, head to View, then select Hide. Click Hide Grid Lines, then the grid lines will disappear. If we click Hide Grid Lines again, the grid lines will be displayed. Here, we choose to click Hide Grid Lines. Edit in a certain range of cells. Click the tool icon and find the Border function in the Home tab. You can choose different border effects according to your needs. For example, if All Borders is selected, borders are added to the cell boundaries within the box selection range. Head to Sheet 2. We can also add a diagonal line to the cell for multiple headers. We will find the title and name have been set in advance. Click More to select more border styles. Add a diagonal line from the upper left corner to lower right. How can we remove the borders we added? Very simply, just select No Border. Did you get it?